A DaVinci Resolve timeline contains audio tracks and video tracks. Let me show you how they work. Here we've got a timeline with multiple clips already on it. We've got this dividing line, which we can actually move up and down to make more space for video or audio tracks. Everything above this line are video tracks, and everything below this line are audio tracks. Let's start with the video tracks. As their name suggests, video tracks play back video, but that's not all they do. Video tracks can also contain things such as text. Let's go and open up the effects, and we'll go and grab a simple text item to put over the top. I'm just dragging this down onto the timeline. We'll close the effects and zoom in so we can see this new text on the timeline. Let's make this text a bit bigger, and now you can see that we've got this text item, and if we wanted to, we could customize this and close the inspector. The first thing to be aware of with video tracks is that tracks higher up will play over the top of tracks lower down. At the moment, this text clip that we added is on top of this main video clip, and that's why you're seeing the text over the top of this video clip. If I were to hold down my mouse button on this video clip and then just use my mouse to drag it up 1 and then up 2, this video clip is now sitting above the text clip, and we no longer see the text clip because the video clip is higher above it. Let's just drag that back down, and once again we see the text. If you have multiple video tracks, let's go and grab this one. We'll drag this over the top of both the original video track and the text. We now no longer see the original video file or the text because this video file is hiding it because it's higher up. Just going to hit Ctrl Z to undo that. Audio tracks, on the other hand, will play at the same time. It doesn't matter which audio track is higher up or lower down in the audio tracks section. So for example, if I go and drag just the audio section of this screen recording by clicking here and dragging down to audio track 2, if we play this back now, we're going to hear both audio tracks play at the same time.
Let me show you two examples of this. The first one is if
you can rename video and audio tracks by clicking on this section and giving them any name you want, and the same with the audio. And you can rearrange the order of these tracks. The simplest way to do it is to right-click on a track and choose Move Track Up. This whole me talking track has now moved above the video 1 track, and because of that, again, we no longer see the text. To move the track down, right-click on it and choose Move Track Down. You can do the same thing with the audio tracks. Let's move me talking, and we'll choose Move Track Down, and it's now down here. But as we saw earlier, the ordering of audio tracks doesn't make a lot of difference because multiple audio tracks play at the same time. Anyway, you might just want to reorganize things to make it easier for you to understand.